day. My name is Robert Farrell. I've been in the online trenches since 1995, 23 years. Have I made mistakes? Oh, heck yeah. Let me share with you how to work smart, engage people with affiliate marketing. Now, affiliate marketing success does not mean that you post a link to your Amazon on Facebook, because that's been done before. Everybody does that. It doesn't work. What you need to do is start working smart. What do I mean by that? You need to start offering value, meaning that don't offer a deal for baby seats or jeans or iPhones, because everybody does that. It's not going to make any sense. What you want to do is work smart and engage your audience with value, content. What do I mean by that? So as an example, you can get tons of content, and I have curated websites that with simple points of a click to a mouse, you can bring in content based on keywords from YouTube. Yes, YouTube, the #2 search engine is YouTube. Now, what do I mean by engaging content? Well, don't offer products, offer reviews, offer recipes, do-yourself videos, hair and makeup techniques, etc., etc. For those of you that don't know who Michelle Phan is, when she was 14 years old, she was making $7 million on YouTube teaching people how to do a smoky eye. So it's kind of along in that vein, but let me share with you what I'm talking about. So if I go over to my website right now, I've developed an entire turnkey system, point and click, based on WordPress. Now, for those of you that are intimidated by WordPress, I make it so simple. I actually have a student of mine that's 104 years old. Yes, you heard me right, 104 years old. She's been with me since she was 99 years old, back in 5 years ago. Her first month, she made $35. You know why she's my hero? Because she never gave up. Do you know why most people fail with affiliate marketing? Because they give up. So I've been teaching software here in New York City since 1987. If there's a better way to do things, you've come to the right place, because my big hashtag is working smart. Most people don't work smart. So let me share the experience with you. So right now, if I go into my site right now, I have a complete turnkey site. I have over 55 different niches. I personally own 609 websites myself. Yes, call me a mad scientist, but it works. So if I click right here, one of the things you'll see about this particular website, which is focused to working smart moms, mom-to-mom network, smart kitchen, mom blog, instead of 5 times fast, .cooking. Now, one of the things you won't see on here is buy now, sell, 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 sell. What you're going to find here is engaging recipes. Well, how does that help you make money? Well, it's going to help you make money because it's going to get and engage your user on social media. Now, another thing I suggest you do is try not to post on your own private page. Build a business page and post on that. You'll get more bang for the buck. Facebook is more likely to share your post with others if it's a business page or a page as opposed to your own personal account. That's just my humble opinion, and it works. So let's say as an example that I wanted to school lunch ideas. Okay, I'm a working mom or a working dad for that matter. Lunch ideas. So here's what I can do. Okay, so again, comes down to working smart, but here's what you're not thinking about. Okay, when you post something on social media from YouTube, who gets the credit for that? YouTube does. Now, unless it came from your channel, that's a different story. But then they have to go to YouTube and then they have to go back to your site. Why not cut out the middleman and have them go directly to your site? Now, when I post something on social media, Instagram, Facebook, I always post or try to post to my business pages. So I'm going to go to one of my business pages called Working Smart Moms. I basically launched this page. Now, I don't want to see you watch me type. So I'm going to type something in and I'll come back and discuss. Okay, so let's look at this post for a second. Hey, moms and dads. You want to include the dads, obviously. Do you have a great school lunch idea or recipe? And then hashtag working smart moms or whatever hashtag you want to put in there. I highly suggest you put a couple of hashtags in there because that's going to help you with developing a rapport with your social media clients. Now, here's what's really cool. If I was to post this video, because this video came from YouTube, but if I was to post it directly from YouTube to my social media, well, for shits and giggles, great, cool, nice. But then there's no interaction. If there is interaction, they're not going to go back to your website. So this now, if you look at it at the bottom, when somebody clicks on this, it's going to go back to smartkitchen.momblog.cooking. So if I post that right now, and I'm going to share with you a little technique here. So if I refresh the page, you will see, because I have my Facebook page tied to my website, you will see that that post is now on Facebook. Pretty cool. There's the post right there. So if I go to my Working Smart page, you will see there's my post. Now again, here's what you're not thinking about. When somebody clicks on this, it's going to take you back to your website, and that is 100% Working Smart. That's how you do this. You engage people. Now, for those, and I'm going to be very honest with you, for those that want to make a quick buck for next week, let's relax a little bit. How much money have you made by not doing anything? If you choose to do nothing, nothing happens. So I'm going to be providing a series of free informational videos. I want to help you every step of the way. Now, what's my hidden agenda? Yes, I have a turnkey system that will help you. Do I want you to sign up for my turnkey system? Oh, absolutely, because it's Working Smart tools. I've cured it, but I'm not providing any links. I just want to tell you that if you need tools to help you, software tools, Working Smart, I'm here to help you every step of the way. So again, this is how you basically build a brand on social media, because you engage students with, or I should say customers, with content, recipes, do it yourself, family budget, family fun, crafts, trips, etc., etc. That's how you build a brand. That's how you build loyalty, and that's how you build repeat customers. So hopefully this was helpful. Talk to you soon. Carpe diem 2018. My name's Robert. If there's a better way to work smart, you've come to the right place.